Definition of the word.
Restoration.
Noun.
The process of bringing an object back to its original state. The process of restoring something.
Example.
The restoration of this painting will take years. The restoration of this medieval church involved undoing all the Victorian modifications. The return of a former monarchy or monarch to power, usually after having been forced to step down.
Example.
The restoration of the House of Stuart took place a few years after the death of Cromwell. The restoration of the Kingdom of Spain took place immediately after the death of Franco. The receiving of a sinner to divine favor.
Restoration. Restoration.
Restoration. Restoration.
Restoration. Restoration.
Restoration. Restoration.